Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is the next entry into my Passion for Purple series, covering some different gifts that you can give the purple lovers in your life to celebrate the upcoming Valentine's Day. This is a quick 10-day series. I hope you enjoy it. If you're interested in seeing more of this series, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you will be alerted to any future videos. Let's go ahead and get started. These are some goodies that I picked up on a recent trip to New York. I didn't have a lot of time. I was actually mostly in Brooklyn, but I did make a quick trip into Manhattan to check out the Mulberry store, as well as to hit up a couple of the kiosks at the Saks Fifth Avenue on Fifth Avenue. The first thing that I'm going to open is actually not purple, but as you can see, it's got beautiful cool tones. It is a mitzvah. You can tell from the packaging, from Dior, and it is in this gorgeous silver color with a lot of blue undertones. It has a floral, has the Christian Dior, and on the back it is the Christian Dior in navy. So you've got two cute looks, one mitzvah for bags or as a neck scarf. This next piece that I picked up at Saks Fifth Avenue, as you can see, they have a love for the purple as well. It's gorgeous little ribbon in cream and lavender. And this is from Moina, which is a French company. Like Goyard, they have some stores around the world. Mostly you can find them in larger department stores, like this display was in Saks Fifth Avenue. But Moina, while they do have a website like Goyard, you can't purchase anything online. You do need to go directly to a store or a vendor who carries Moina. As you can see, they also rock the orange, but it's not as bright as the Hermes orange boxes, and is not as and it is more intense than the lighter shade of the Louis Vuitton boxes. And this is a little round, can be used as a coin purse, but it is actually a little mini bag. There is a D-ring, as you can see up top here. It has the looks like a kind of looks a little like the Mercedes-Benz symbol, and then it does have, let's see if I can show you, does have the Moina embossed on the bottom. This is the strap that it comes with, and you just loop it through like this, through the D-ring. And then pull through like so. And then you can use this as a crossbody. If you have a relatively short torso, you could potentially use it as a lanyard. If you got creative with how you shortened it, you can also potentially, with this D-ring, add it to a clip it onto a clochette or something, and use this as a almost like a bag ornament. If you open it up, it does open almost fully, almost 360. You can see it's got a leather interior, a beige leather interior, and I don't know if you can tell, the sides are accordion, and it does have a little slip pocket so that you could put in a card there if you wanted. Now these next three pieces I did get from Mulberry. They were inspired by Handbagaholic. She did a London vlog where she actually featured Mulberry and the mini Alexa I think she got. But it was her mini Alexa was in this gorgeous emerald color, and she made me really think, I should check out Mulberry again. It's been a while since I've looked at their website. It does have the advantage that you can purchase online. It is a British brand, but they do have availability of products online for purchase here in the US, as well as several stores or vendors in the US. Luckily, they did have a store. Actually, I think they have maybe 1 or 2 stores in New York, and I went to the one at Rockefeller Center and was able to pick up some gorgeous pieces that I had seen online in this gorgeous shade. So let's start with the little one. And what's neat about Mulberry is they're very much into sustainability. I will show you some interesting things about the dust bag when I reveal this particular piece, but they have their dark forest green packaging. And to reveal the latest addition to my SLG collection, which is this gorgeous card holder in the color Amethyst. And I don't know that this color is showing up as nicely as well as it potentially can. It looks a little bit darker on camera than it is in real life. It does have gold hardware. And take off this paper. As you can see, this card holder does come with gold hardware. It has a zip up front where I guess you could put parking ticket, stub. There is a top where you could stick some cash or a card, as well as 3 back pockets for additional cards. It is a grained calfskin, and this particular color is Amethyst. What's wonderful about Mulberry is their pieces oftentimes come in some wonderful colors, and I just fell in love looking at the website with this particular shade of purple, which is a deeper purple than a lot of the pieces that I've been adding to my collection recently. The second piece that I'm going to share with you, also from Mulberry, a couple of guesses as to what this might be. This is the French purse, also in the amethyst colorway. Typically, when I'm adding SLGs to my collection, I like to have a card holder in addition to a slightly larger or additional pouch or wallet card case so I can hold cash and additional cards, other things that I might need to carry with me. This one is very cute and still compact. It opens up to have some slips for cards. It also has a larger, pocket for additional cards, more slips, and it is actually a full functioning wallet in that you can open up and there is a space for bills, additional card pockets, another slip so you can add additional cards, And then this also has a lot of papers, a lot of stuffing. And also it opens up and you can have a section to keep your coins, as maybe as well as, you know, other more smaller denomination bills if you need to quickly access them, or tokens. Has an accordion style gusset on one side, actually on both sides. One's in black and then the other one is in the amethyst colorway. Now for the big handbag reveal. I bet you have a pretty good idea of what color this is. But before I share this particular bag, I did want to share some interesting info that Mulberry shares on the back of their bag. They indicate that this bag is made out of sustainable cotton with recycled materials for the drawstring. So sounds like Mulberry is really committed to the idea of sustainability, as well as making sure that their pieces are well taken care of. So, were you thinking this was going to be an Alexa? Well, it's not. It is a mini Bayswater in the amethyst colorway. And again, I don't know if this is really showing the gorgeousness of the color. It's really beautiful, and it depends on the lighting. But let me go ahead and take off all this paper so you can really see how gorgeous this bag is. As you can see, this is a gorgeous bag in the amethyst colorway with gold hardware. It does have some features that are it has a look that is very reminiscent of the Celine micro. I think it's the micro tote, nano tote. One of the Celine luggage bags. This Bayswater does come with the gold hardware, has a turnkey lock, and you can open and loosen this up a little bit more, open it up more if you need to add more things. It does come with a detachable strap, or it can be used handheld, fits over the crook of your arm. Has this gorgeous strap that, as you can see, is adjustable, and it has the D-ring is on the opposite side. So this is a little bit longer. Since it is an adjustable, it is a little bit longer, can be worn fairly comfortably crossbody. It does have a slip pocket. The interior is suede. It's this unfinished leather, and it does, like I said, it does have a slip pocket, the care card, and does also have this Mulberry card and additional information if you're interested in this particular bag. And let's do a full 360. As I said, top handles, detachable handle. Here is the side, the back of this bag, no back pockets. The other side, and no feet, but it is also a gorgeous calfskin leather, and this is a great size to use for every day. So that's it for today's video. If the purple lover in your life really enjoys the deeper, darker purples, then I would suggest that you definitely check out the amethyst on the Mulberry website. Great price point and gorgeous quality of materials. Now that I look at it with everything side by side, this is a very different shade of purple. It's a little bit more blue tone. This is a little bit more of a warmer tone, but I'm not mad at it. If you like the lighter purples, or your purple lover loves the lighter lavender or lilac shades, then certainly check out Moina on their website. I believe this is a seasonal color, so I would suggest, if you are interested in any pieces, they do have some bags in this colorway as well. I think they had a Réjean possibly in this color at the Saks Fifth Avenue store, but certainly other gorgeous pieces. And of course, no specific purples, but there is a little bit purple if you really look closely in my Mitza, and I think that that's going to go beautifully along with this new handbag. Again, if you enjoyed this unboxing, please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, just show me a little bit of love, and I would love it if you consider joining my little YouTube family. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye.